What's up there, Sports Card World? Cody here again with Card Attractions Friday night, and we are ripping. Was at the store today looking for some football cards. Couldn't find any, but I did come across a bunch of hanger boxes of some Donruss MLB. So I figured I'd go ahead and pick them up and rip them on the channel. So hopefully your guys' day's been going really well. Other than me not being able to find football cards, my day's been okay, so I can't complain. Most of the guys that partaked in the giveaway have received their cards by now. Once again, I appreciate you guys partaking in it. Our next giveaway is at 1,000 subscribers, in which I hopefully next week I'll be able to show you the first hobby box that I'll buy for the giveaway and so forth. So pretty excited about it. I actually got 4 more of these hanger boxes, and I got 6 jumbo packs, so I did score a little bit, and then I happen to find just one single pack of these, so I don't know when I'll do those. Maybe hang on to them if I get some more optic or something and rip them. So it's been probably a month or so since I've seen some Donruss in the store, so I was kind of excited. There are some really nice cards in these boxes. Well, at least there was in the blasters. So I am going to rip right into these and figure out what we got. If you guys are new to the channel, I do appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. All the support helps. Alright, so first pack we got here. First hanger box, we got Lucas Giolito, Josh Hader, Javier Baez, Nolan Arenado, George Polanco, Michael Conforto, Eloy Jimenez, Aaron Nola, Cody Bellinger, Max Keepler, Charlie Morton, Trevor Bauer, Nelson Cruz. And what do we got here? Very nice Jacob deGrom jersey, number 55 of 99. So very nice card there. We'll hang on to that one. We got Javier Baez, the DeGrominator, Jacob deGrom again. Hang on to that. We got Brendan McKay, nice. Kettle Marte, see something shiny in there. Nice Mike Trout there. Nico Horner, Austin Meadows, Josh Bell, Brock Burt, Buster Posey, Nick Solak, Max Schreiser, starred border card, Dieter Molina, Paul Goldschmidt, Hoskin, Keith Hernandez. Very nice Gleyber Torres. Really nice Sean Murphy. We got Fernando Tatis now playing. That's a very nice card. So that you can always find some pretty good stuff in hanger boxes. Some hanger boxes are better than blasters, I've noticed too. Alright, we got Forrest Whitley, rated prospect there. Very nice card. Alright, and we got Mike Warefield, Santana, Bryce Harper, Logan Allen, Danny Mendick, Tony Gwynn, Robin Yount, Jonathan Hernandez, and Tyrone Taylor. So not bad for the first hanger there. We're going to rip into this next one here. Alright, and to start us off here, we got Jose Abreu, nice, Eric Hosmer, Max Scherzer, Corey Kluber, David Fletcher, Mike Minor, DJ LeMahieu, Yadier Molina, Paul Goldschmidt, and like all my orange cards were in whites in here. Chapman, Kendricks, Muncy, Sale, Yu-Chang, rookie, Justin Dunn, nice, Cody Bellinger, Juan Soto, Trent Grisham, Christian Yelich, Matt Thaiss, Pete Alonso, Man of Steel, Ricky Henderson, huh? No, yep, very nice card there. Hang on to that. Go to my PC. Aaron Judge, Patrick Sandoval, DJ LeMahieu, Gleyber Torres, Lindor. Our orange, we got Yao, Hernandez, Eugenio Suarez, and very nice Tony Gwynn there. Some Justin Foscue. On the back, we got Andrew Vaughn. It's not a number one. It's a really nice American Pride card. Clayton Kershaw. Very nice card there. We got Jack Flattery, Peralta, Stanton, Crawford, Contreras, Matt Carpenter. We got Joe Palumbo, Rios, Mitchell, Henderson, Murphy, Rojas, and Savale. Alright, so nothing too big in the second box. I did get a couple Ricky Hendersons that I can add to my Ricky Henderson collection. Alright, we are on hanger box number 3. Michael Brantley, Gary Sanchez, Hunter Renfroe, Chris Davis, Yoan Makata, Matt Olson, Eduardo Rodriguez, Trey Turner, Charlie Blackmon, Suarez, Votto, Anderson, Newman, Graterol, Alex Bregman, Trey Turner, Yordan Alvarez, nice, Marco Gonzalez, got Zach Collins, Bam Bam, Gavin Lux, nice, Mike Trout, nice, Mookie Betts, Jesus Luzardo, Miguel Cabrera, Max Scherzer, Randy Arozarena, Chris Sale, Hunter Dozier, Tommy Pham, Yu-Chang, Brian Anderson, and Chris Bryant. All of our oranges there. Asa Lacy and Clayton Kershaw. Very nice card there. Next one right behind it, we got an Elite Series Justin Verlander. The other cards I will sleeve up later, but right now we get the main ones. Mondesi, Paddock, Berrios, Pham, Anderson, Freeman, Freddie Freeman, George Springer, Rios, Mitchell, Henderson, Murphy, Rojas, Savale, and Yu-Chang. Alright, another big pile. Nothing. Last box here. Eduardo Rodriguez, Ketel Marte, Simeon Chapman, Abreu, Hosmer, Suarez, Votto, Anderson. And I'm going through these. Newman, Estidas Aquino, nice. Rafael Devers, Yu Chang, Justin Dunn, Cody Bellinger, Juan Soto, Trent Grissom, Christian Yelich, Matt Dice, Pete Alonso, duplicate box, Man of Steel again, Strasburg, Hicks, Pete Alonso, very nice there. At least I got one good orange border card. Joe Palumbo, Rafael Devers, and Yu Chang. Alright. Eugenio Suarez, really nice highlight card. Yeah, Cole Wilcox and Max Scherzer. George Springer, Hoskins, Keston Hira, Luis Reyes, Jack Flattery, Peralta, July 11, Rice, Jonathan Daza, George Brett, Joe Palumbo, Rios, and Mitchell. So that is it, guys. It does complete our break today for the 4 hangers of the Donruss 2020. We got a good stack of rookies and orange foils and other stuff, but I really like these highlight cards. I just think they're super neat. So that's why I had and sleeve this up. I will sell this on eBay. But Eugenio Suarez, very nice card. Got this really nice orange bordered Pete Alonso. So if somebody out there needs this card, I'll post it on eBay as well. See Elite Series Justin Verlander. I really like this card. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. This is super nice card here. Fernando Tatis. So this will go to my Tatis collection. Like it. And last but not least, we did pull this numbered relic here of 99, and it's number 58. If you guys can see, or 55, I apologize. 55 of 99 there. Jacob deGrom. Very nice card. So if you guys got any comments, please leave them in the box. I do answer those and comment back on them. I do appreciate you guys watching the channel. Stay tuned. I'll be ripping all weekend long. So if you guys have not hit that subscribe button, please do so. I appreciate it. And for those who have, thanks already. And I will keep uploading videos. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.